everybody. Today we're going outside the studio with Ponte Vedra Beach PE instructor Collin Wolfe. He's going to tell us a little bit about some of our lower school basketball teams. I've seen some of these teams in action and they are getting after it. Take it away, Collin.
Thanks, Tyler. This year, the Ponte Vedra Bolles campus joined the North Florida Independent School Athletic Conference, NFISAC for short. In the fall, they offered basketball for grades 3 through 5. We had 41 students participate this year, and between our three teams, we had our varsity girls, varsity boys, and JV boys. Our varsity teams are comprised of 4th and 5th graders, and our JV teams consist of 3rd and 4th graders. Our season just wrapped up this week. Our JV team made it all the way to the championship, ultimately lost to Jacksonville Country Day School, but it was a great inaugural season for us. They were 5-1 in the regular season. Our varsity boys lost in the quarterfinals to Riverside Presbyterian Day School, but they had a winning season as well. They were 4-2, and our varsity girls play tonight at Jacksonville Country Day School, and their regular season record was 3-3, and they're in the semifinals tonight. So good luck to the Bulldogs. This is an Advantage program, so it's not under the umbrella of athletics, but you can sign up through Advantage. And our next sports we are offering, or that the league is offering, are volleyball and flag football. And those sports are open to anyone who wants to sign up. So our goal for these sports here at the Ponte Vedra Beach campus is to integrate sportsmanship and camaraderie and building a team and fostering like a team unity among peers, something that might not get necessarily just in PE. So although the NFISAC only offers 4 sports, including soccer, volleyball, flag football, and basketball, it is a chance for students to try these sports and see if it's something they'd like to continue in the middle school. And it's been a great experience for us. It's fostered a lot of team spirit on campus, and we've had some great celebrations at our Friday flags, and we've had a number of faculty and staff come and support us at our games, even able to host some home games here in George Hall, which has been amazing. And it's been overall just a really fun experience, and we're really grateful to have joined the league this year.
Thanks, Collin. Great work. And thanks to everybody out there for all that you do.